Japan is a land of neon lights, quiet shrines, vending machines that sell everything, and whispers. Whispers of things not found in travel guides or history books. Hidden train stations. Smiling women with terrible secrets. Tunnels that lead to nowhere, and sea creatures that might be watching us from below the ice. Today, we are diving into 4 strange tales, conspiracies, legends, and mysteries that blur the line between reality and something much stranger. Don't worry, we'll keep it cute, even if what lies beneath is anything but. Kisaragi Station, the ghost stop that shouldn't exist. They say it began as a harmless forum post, just a young woman asking for help after boarding a late-night train in Japan. Everything seemed normal, until the train didn't stop. Station after station passed, yet none matched her route. Eventually, it pulled into a place she'd never heard of, Kisaragi Station, a name that doesn't appear on any map. She described stepping off into a cold, silent platform. No staff. No signs of life. Just a dim tunnel and a deep sense that something was wrong. Her phone still worked, for a while. She posted updates, growing more frantic as she tried to walk back along the tracks, but found only darkness and distant drumming sounds echoing from the hills. Some suggested it was a dream, or a hoax, others weren't so sure. In Japanese, Kisaragi can mean the second month or cutting clothes, both hinting at old traditions tied to death and spirits. Could it be a slip between worlds? A pocket of reality only a few unlucky travelers find? Skeptics chalk it up to internet fiction, an early example of viral storytelling. But believers point to strange rail anomalies, disappearances, and other tales that echo the same pattern: a routine trip, an unknown station, and a choice: step off or stay aboard and hope the train returns to reality. Kuchiskyona, the beautiful terror behind the mask. She appears on quiet streets, late at night, often when you're alone. A woman in a beige trench coat, face half hidden behind a surgical mask, a common sight in Japan. Harmless, even ordinary. Until she stops you and asks, in a soft voice, "Watashi, kirei? Am I pretty?" If you say no, she takes out a pair of scissors. If you say yes, she removes the mask. Her mouth is slit from ear to ear, grotesquely wide, as if carved by a sadistic smile. Even now, legend says that if you scream or try to run, she'll chase you relentlessly. But the stories vary. Some say you can trick her by giving her confusing answers or throwing hard candies on the ground, buying yourself a few seconds to escape. Others claim she was once a woman mutilated by a jealous husband and now seeks vengeance, eternally asking a question that has no safe answer. But why does this story linger? In a country where beauty, politeness, and face coverings are deeply cultural, Kuchiskyona taps into real fears. She blends the familiar with the horrific, mask-wearing, small talk, even the question of self-worth. Some say her tale surged in the late 1970s due to media hysteria and schoolyard gossip, sparking real panic. Others believe she's older, tied to ghostly yokai who punish vanity or wander with unfinished sorrow. Whether she's a folk memory, a moral warning, or just a terrifying urban legend, Kuchiskyona forces us to face the unknown, especially when it's wearing a smile. The secret tunnels beneath Tokyo echoes below the city. Tokyo is a city of layers. Skyscrapers scrape the sky, neon signs blink through the night, and trains thread through every neighborhood. But beneath the bustling surface lies a mystery whispered by conspiracy theorists and curious commuters alike, a hidden labyrinth of tunnels that no one is supposed to know about. Some say these underground passages stretch far beyond the subway maps, older, deeper, and sealed off. designed not for public transport but for secrecy. Theories abound. One suggests the tunnels were built during World War II, meant to move officials and resources in silence. Another claims they're modern, part of a classified emergency system for government elites, stretching from the Diet Building to secret bunkers beneath Mount Fuji. More extreme theories speak of research labs, mind control experiments, or even ancient relics buried beneath the city, protected by those in power. But there's also something eerie. Rail workers have reported strange offshoots from maintenance routes, sealed steel doors with no listed purpose, stairways leading into blackness. And sometimes, deep in the tunnels, they claim to hear footsteps or voices. Of course, much of this is unproven. Japan is no stranger to vast infrastructure. Their earthquake resistance and disaster prep systems are complex and massive. The government denies any covert networks, and maps remain frustratingly vague. Still, the rumors persist. Because for every official explanation, there's a photo, a hushed anecdote, a glimpse of something behind a wall that shouldn't be there. In Tokyo, the ground may shift, but some things stay buried. Or are meant to. Ningen, the silent giant beneath the ice. Far from Japan's shores, in the freezing waters of the Southern Ocean, some say a colossal creature glides beneath the waves, white as snow, shaped like a human, and eerily silent. They call it Ningen, literally, human. If you like this video, please give us a like or dislike, I don't care, leave a comment behind, and don't forget to subscribe, since we have a new video every day. Reportedly spotted by Japanese research vessels near Antarctica, the Ningen is said to be over 20 meters long, with arms, legs, and even facial features. Not a whale. Not a fish. Something else. Something watching. Accounts are rare, often vague, seen only at night, half submerged in mist. Some describe it crawling across ice. Others swear they saw it dive, vanishing into the depths as if it had never been there. Skeptics argue it's just a case of misidentified icebergs, or pareidolia, the mind finding shapes where none exist. But believers ask, why were some early reports allegedly censored? Why does satellite imagery sometimes show shapes that don't belong? Maybe Ningen is a modern cryptid. Or maybe it's something older, something we weren't meant to follow into the deep. After all, the ocean is vast. And Japan knows better than most, not everything beneath the surface sleeps peacefully. Japan's mysteries aren't always about monsters or government secrets. Sometimes they're reflections of fear, of folklore, of the unknown hiding just beneath the everyday. Whether it's a train to nowhere, a smile that asks the wrong question, or something massive moving beneath the waves, these stories stick with us because they feel almost possible. Maybe they're just legends. Maybe not. But one thing's certain, in Japan, even the strangest stories come wrapped in charm, shadows, and just a little bit of magic. If you enjoyed this journey into the curious and the creepy, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know which theory you dare to explore yourself. Until next time, stay weird and stay wondering.